So the discussion for activity 13, what you're having a look at is this part under the how-to videos. I didn't put it there, and I actually don't think I put it on your tour journal. No. So you'll see it via the content area and also in the discussion under activity 13. I'll go over there in a second. But basically, it says, sometimes people refuse treatment for cancer. Do you think that people have a right to do that? What about children? So there's an article about a teenager in the US that refused the option. And there's also an article about a Canadian child who made the decision not to have the treatment. So you're basically giving an opinion in the discussion. So let's go over. Do I have it open anywhere? Let's go over to the discussion area, and we're going to have a look at number 13. So number 13, you'll be able to see the rubric when you're in there. You've got all the directions here. And then we've got the articles that you can right click and open up as well. Remember, you're not going to see other people's posts until you make your post. The reason I do that is so that you don't feel like you're repeating somebody else's statements before you see them, which I think is fine when there's quite a few people responding on the exact same thing using the same articles. Okay, so do a post, reply to somebody else's, be polite. Keep in mind, tone in writing can come across very different than tone when you're speaking to somebody, or if you can actually visually see them. So remember that when you're writing your post, you want to stay positive when you are responding to somebody else's, just so that we keep a nice learning environment.